Alrighty, I got the Camaro washed and clean. I said I was going to get started on it on Monday, but I got started on it Friday. The customer stated he wanted his vehicle, so I'm trying my best to get the job done. And I also got to fix this. I got to do that. I got it clean. I'm prepping the lines. And also on the back bumper, right here, I'm doing my color sand. Because I want it's a little lighter. Can't really tell on camera, but I can tell. So, got my little block. That little block right there. That's a 3M block. That's an 800 grit. Take time working on these cars, especially if you want them to look good. You want them to look good. You gotta do the job right. Yeah, that's what they're supposed to do. Every time you lay some paint, you gotta sand that bumper, fender, whatever it is. Gotta sand it. So it'll come out real good. Gotta sand it right. It's not paint. It's masking tape. Masking tape. Get in the corners, the cracks for the cleaning. That way the car come out good. Look at that. I washed it up. And I'm gonna wash it some more. Clean it up real good.